This is a whisk. This is a whisk. This is a grater. This is a grater. This is a spatula. This is a fridge. This is a fridge. This is a spatula. This is an apron. This is an apron. This is a lid. This is a lid. This is a lid. This is a peeler. This is a peeler. This is a pan. This is a pan. This is a drawer. This is a drawer. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. This is a teapot. This is a teapot. This is a blender. This is a blender. This is a colander. This is a colander. This is a fork. This is a fork. This is a mug. This is a mug. This is a mug. This is a pitcher. This is a pitcher. This is a table. This is a can. This is a can. This is a toaster. This is a toaster. This is a sponge. This is a sponge. This is a microwave. This is a microwave. This is a pot. This is a pot. This is a ladle. This is a ladle. This is a bowl. This is a bowl. This is a rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. This is a sink. This is a sink. This is a cabinet. This is a knife. This is a knife. This is a knife. This is a blender. This is a blender. This is a towel. This is a towel. This is a plate. This is a plate. This is a cutting board. This is a cutting board. This is an oven. This is an oven. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. This is a box. This is a box.